import the bulk zone number mapping through Import Excel. For the bulk import Excel also same process is applicable how we are creating through screen and same fields existed in Excel also. After clicking on Import Zone Number button, it will navigate to Import Screen. It will show the sample Excel. We can download. If it is inbound rates example from other countries to India like USA to India. While mapping the zone number we need to keep the origin as other countries whether it is Sri Lanka or Canada. Here as an example I am showing some origin other countries and destination as India. No need to keep origin zip code and destination zip code. We can keep as 0. And origin state and destination state also we can keep as on. Coming to second case, if it is outbound rates in origin sector and origin country column we need to keep India. As shown in displayed Excel. Like this we need to import the zone number Excel. First we need to validate and the import if any error occurs while validating only it will display. Next we need to click on import button if no errors so then it will show the success record count.